Greetings! In this brief tutorial, we're going to look at deleting a module in your course content. So here I am in my course content folder, and you can see here I have both a module called the delete module, so I remember to get rid of it, and a submodule, a delete submodule. So in order to delete the submodule, what I'd like to do is just click on that. So I go into the submodule, and you can see here I am in the submodule. There's no content in here at the moment, but in order to delete that, I can just click down this drop down and go to delete module and just do that. And then you have these couple of options here which are important. This one here will just remove the module, but if you had any items in that module, files and so forth, they would still be saved in your course files, your course manage files. If you want to permanently remove that for all time, you can click on that and go to delete, and then that will remove that submodule. And there it is. You can see it's gone. Now if I just want to delete a module, again I can click on the module which I want to delete, and you can see it right here. And again, there's no content in here, and again these same actions are going to apply. I can click that drop down, go to delete module, and then again perhaps there were some files I wanted to save in my manage file items there, so I would just remove this module from the content but save those files in my course, and I can click delete. And there it is, and it's complete. So now I've got that delete module and that submodule out of my course. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at cetl@une.edu. Be well and have a great day.